The purpose of meeting today is to review the progress of the National Action Plan which was formulated and prepared by the entire political leadership of this country. As you know that meeting of the all parties conference was convened in the Prime Minister's house where General Raheel Sharif and his colleagues were also present, and we discussed this agenda threadbare. And it took us 10 hours to finalize the agenda. And as a result of that agenda, the first thing that was done was to pass the constitutional amendment, which was done in a very short period. And then, of course, the army law was also amended. And the agenda has 20 points. Out of these 20 points, 2 were immediately implemented, and the rest of the agenda items were left to the Apex Committee and also to the federal government. So this agenda has not been formulated or prepared by just one single party or the government alone. It has the endorsement of the entire political parties of the country, opposition or allied parties of the government. And this is a document, of course, which deals with also the future of this country, for the security of this country, to secure the future of upcoming generations in Pakistan. I believe that the people of Pakistan certainly are looking forward to seeing some tangible results of the National Action Plan. And the National Action Plan, of course, has to now deliver. And failure is not an option. All the provinces now have apex committees headed by the respective chief ministers of the provinces. And these committees are meeting from time to time and also taking decisions which, of course, are being implemented. In certain places, they are being implemented speedily and effectively. But in some provinces, of course, a lot of work has still to be done. I'm sure that the Chief Secretary, during his briefing, will highlight the achievements and accomplishments on this particular aspect of the agenda, but I would also like him to tell us about the problems and the problem areas and the problems and the impediments faced by the law enforcement agencies. They should be very candidly and clearly expressed here so that we can listen to them very carefully and find their solutions. So, as I just mentioned, we have no other option but to win this war against terrorism, and the scourge of terrorism will have to be now eliminated from all times to come, whether it is in the tribal areas of Pakistan, whether it is in certain other pockets of Pakistan, wherever they are. The decision of the government and the decision, I would say, of the state is to simply eliminate them. Along with this, we would also like to hear the interrogation or the investigation that has been going on, the Baldia town issue. It's a very, very serious issue, very grave issue, in fact. We are answerable to God first and then, of course, to the people of Pakistan. So, therefore, whatever has so far happened on this very tragic incident, would like to hear from the Chief Secretary and also all other concerned.